Hey, this is Brother Barnes. I want to talk about some corona accommodations for just a few minutes. But before we get to that information, I want to talk about you. You have been in my thoughts and prayers. Your health, well-being, the health of your family, the health of our nation, the well-being of all of those around the world is quite important. I want to say thank you to our national president and also to our college president for appointing important people to help us make this transition during this difficult time. There are a few things that I would like to remind you of that will be helpful and make things go rather smooth. Please check Canvas for your assignments. I have made a video on how to check for your assignment due dates. This is very important. The due dates are important because this is how the attendance is taken. So please show up for that. Do not fail to submit the assignment for the week or the assignments so that you can be counted as present. That is important. Also, I have created several blogs, actually one for every class that I teach. And this is a place for you to post general questions and interact. If you have personal concerns, please message me in Canvas and we will deal with those on a one-on-one basis. This is a time for us to come together. This is a time for us to help each other. This is a time for us to be a city on a hill, a light in the darkness shining to bring goodness to our brothers and sisters. And let us do that. Let us be the hands and feet of the gracious nation that we live in.